That's awesome.
Hey, it's Nick with Badger Eyes of Albuquerque, and today I am at the University Volkswagen Mazda dealership, meeting up with the salesman who wants to prove to me that not all salesmen are demons sent up from hell to make buying a car a horrible experience. Are you guys able to give more than market value for that? Like a lot more than market value for that?
Why would we do that?
Because I'm nice.
Yeah, it's not really how it works, Nick.
It's just...
Here we go.
Oh, shit. I wasn't even trying.
That's some
whoa, I
speed.
made it. 5? Holy
I wasn't going to say the speed out loud on camera.
Bleep it out. Turn that to your...
Okay, Nick, are you ready to see the ideal car for you?
I am.
Do you want to see the ideal car for you if money is not an issue?
Yes.
Okay. Right this way.
Okay.
So
Really?
Nick, allow me to introduce to you the 2018 Mazda CX-5.
Really?
Grand Touring, fully loaded with the premium package.
Really? A CX-5.
Mazda has a premium vision, okay? They're focused on making vehicles that look gorgeous inside and out, okay? They use premium materials, and so what you have is a vehicle that looks like luxury,
Smells like luxury.
smells like luxury, but it doesn't cost what luxury costs.
It's only 33,000? I thought this was gonna be like 50 at least. Oh my god. Oh shit, I should have bought a Mazda. Oh my god! That's a heads-up display.
That is an active driving display, my man.
Oh my god, it's just like floating there!
Yep, and you'll see that the focal point is out in front of the vehicle.
Yeah, oh my god.
So that you can keep your eyes focused where they need to be. That gives you your current speed. It gives you the speed of the road that you're driving on, and it gives you the turn-by-turn navigation, and it gives you your sensing features. So it lets you know. It'll give you a symbol when there's somebody in your blind spot. It'll give you a symbol for the lanes in front of you. It'll give you a symbol for a vehicle in front of you. And it'll even pick up stop signs, it'll pick up street signs and display them, and it is a full color display.
Can you please sell this to me for 25,000?
No.
Oh, do I have to pay for the rims if I curb it?
Please don't curb it.
I'm gonna take that as a no.
So you had asked for radar cruise control. The radar cruise control in this will go all the way to 0 miles per hour. It'll go to a complete stop and return you to your original speed.
So then in theory you could use that on city streets? Well, it's designed not to.
Yeah,
But
you can.
You could? Really?
Yes.
Ooh, okay. How should we do that?
Okay. I'm sure Missouri Dashcam is getting a kick out of this right now.
Oh, yes. Oh wait, can I try to rear end a car? Let the car stop itself?
Yeah, if you're not comfortable with it, you can apply the brakes on your own.
Okay.
Just please don't cause an accident.
That was return me. Oh. Thank you.
Did you touch the brakes?
Well, I did, but
Okay.
it's not quickly enough.
Display. They're in our way there. Okay, he's not touching the brake.
Oh my
Not
god.
not braking, and we're stopping. His foot's completely off of the brake.
Oh, that feels so
They're
weird.
scooting through the intersection right now.
Oh.
There we go, and they're out of the way, and you're about to run a stop sign unless you hold it.
Oh god, that was weird.
That's
oh
cool.
god.
Yeah. Mazda radar cruise control will go to a complete stop.
Oh, that's rear end.
Stop. You're scaring me. You're scaring me. Basically those the autonomous braking, it's only going to come in
At the very last
the very last second. So what's your impression so far of the CX-5?
It's God. I did not really know much about Mazda whatsoever.
Most people don't.
But Yeah, I still think that they're some of the best styled cars, because this is futuristic, yeah, not ugly. I guess I had very low expectations, but they were definitely exceeded. But no, I did not think that Mazda could even have, like, even a nice, you know, higher trim, a luxury trim. And this is unbelievable. Yeah, my expectations are very, very, very well exceeded.
Awesome.
Oh yeah, so at what point does it recognize it? Like, does it allow you to make a safe lane change? Or, because I know that some of them don't go, like they have that on if they're, like, you know, 10 feet behind you, and then some don't go on unless they're right next to you.
These...
Okay, yeah, no, I guess that's pretty far back.
These go 150 feet back.
Really?
Yeah. And so it lights up when they're in your blind spot, and it'll beep if you hit your turn signal for that direction, either side. Yeah, yeah. The little corner pieces, I guess. And if you just nudge your turn signal for the left right now, that's the beep that you get when you hit your turn signal to the left. Okay. Or, you know, or to whichever side there's somebody in your blind spot.
Jesus, this is cool. Okay.
So, Nick, thank you so much for coming by to check out some vehicles with me, to see kind of how we operate here. I want to get your overall reaction. Now, I've shown you the GTI and I've shown you the CX-5. What did you think about a fully loaded CX-5?
I want it so bad. Genuinely, what is it? I think this is probably the nicest car I have ever been in. Oh, low jack. Shit. I've got 20 bucks. No, God, this is generally every single material feels nice. And the glossy black here, I love the fake trim, or the fake wood trim. It's real trim. The stitching, the seats, I am in ass heaven. All right, well then, you did a good ass job of finding me my perfect car. Okay, so with that, I must admit that James is in fact not a demon sent up from hell. Aside from the fact that he wouldn't let me steal the CX-5 and then just tell his boss that he didn't know where it went, he was awesome. So of course I could not afford either of those vehicles in my wildest dreams, but if I could, I'm sure that the rest of the car buying experience would have been just as awesome. In fact, the rest of the people at the dealership did seem like genuinely nice people who don't just want your money and couldn't care less what happens to you after you sign the paperwork. So I don't know what the future holds for me, but if I'm still in Albuquerque when it comes time to trade in the Accord, I know what dealership I'll be going to.